Hello everyone, I am Mian Antigula and welcome to my vlog. So today we're talking about the unique and exciting opportunities for development right here in Madalacaclan, specifically in Sitio Takas, Barangay Mamba. So if you are passionate about sports and community development, this is for you. So tara at samahan niyo ako na ipakita sa inyo ang magandang lugar nito. So let's go! With its wide open areas and serene environment, it's the perfect spot to develop a new softball facility. But what makes this location so special? Let's explore why Sitio Takas stands out. Personally, I've walked around this area and trust me, the space is incredible at imagine na yung lugar ni ito is may football facilities na kung saan yung mga bata is naglalaro tapos yung mga tao is nagpa-practice together with their friends at tapos imagine na yung lugar ni ito is may mga rooms for bleachers, locker rooms and also concession stand. First off, Sitio Takas is known for its flat terrain, ideal for constructing softball fields. This means less time and money spent on land preparation, making it a cost-effective choice for investors or local government units looking to promote sports development in Aklan. So it's not only will boost the local economy through sports tourism, but also it can create a safe and healthy environment for young people to engage in physical activity. The centerpiece of this development is a full-size softball field. This space will be ideal for both casual games and barangay-level competitions. The field will include well-maintained grass for safe play, dugouts for teams, a sitting area for spectators, high fencing for safety, additional amenities. The softball field will have a clean, modern look with simple but functional design elements. Natural colors like green, brown, and light gray will be used to blend with the environment. The development will prioritize sustainability, using eco-friendly materials for the track, sitting areas, and lighting. The area will be designed to accommodate people of all abilities with ramps and accessible paths. I'm so excited about the potential of this project and I hope you too. So if you're interested in learning more and even getting involved, don't hesitate to reach out the local authorities or community leaders. So together, we can make this dream a reality. All in all, Sitio Takas Mamba Madalag is more than just an empty lot. It's an untapped gym waiting to be transformed into a thriving softball hub, a place that will unite athletes, fans, and families for generations to come.